What's good, everybody? It's your boy Sketchy Films. Before we get into the bike, I just want to say thank you to everybody who's subscribed, who's watched my videos, who's added me on social media. It really means a lot to me, you know, taking the time out of your day to watch my videos, even though I know you could be watching better videos. But I'm getting there, guys. I'm practicing. I'm trying to make better videos, better content for you guys. You know, just give me some pointers if you have. And I just wanted to say thank you, man. I appreciate everything you guys are doing. You know, all the love, all the comments is really motivating me to do more than just this bike, do more bikes. I know you guys been wondering why I haven't posted anything for about a week or so. And the issue was that I was recording, taking the forks off of the motorcycle, and I put the new forks on. If you can see that these are gold, the ones that the bike came with were black. So I removed them and I put these gold ones on. While I was recording, my camera just crashed. I don't know what happened. I had to get a whole new camera. So I put these gold ones on, but the issue is it's still the actual triple tree is bent, in which I should have known better. So what I did was I ordered it. It's here, guys. We got the new triple clamp. If I could do it with one hand. Oh. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me put you guys on a bike. Oh, and there goes some pieces. Anyway, got the new triple clamp, and that's what this video is going to consist today. We're going to install the new triple clamp on the bike, put the new forks on again, and let's see, maybe we have time for a test ride. I have to bleed those brakes, so probably not. But and on top of that, my rim is bent. Let me show you guys that. So as you guys can see, I got a bent rim. So I don't think it's likely I'll take this on a test drive. But then again, this is called Sketchy Films, right? So it wouldn't be right if it isn't sketchy. I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod while I get the bike jacked up. So if you guys ever wonder how to get that front end up, you get a piece of wood and you put it right here, right between here. There's a solid point. Trust me, it won't bend. Let me put this on a jack stands and let's get to it. Alright guys, now that I've just finished jacking up the bike, what I'm going to start doing is taking off this wheel. I'm going to loosen up this bolt. Once I loosen up this bolt, I can get like a long screw to tap that, push this out, remove this, the whole wheel should come down. Take you guys over on this side with me. Alright, now that that's loose, we're going to loosen up this bolt right here. That was super loose. Must have left that loose. Alright, I'm just going to tap this out. Whew, 15 minutes and I'm already sweating. Alright guys, so I got the wheel off. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on, I'm going to get these bottom bolts out first. Then I'll work my way up. If I can, okay. I'll work my way up, take these forks down. And I don't want to waste too much time on you guys actually seeing step by step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this into a montage. So you'll see me take off all the forks and then we'll get more into details when we get to the cables. that we got the forks off, we need to get all these cables that attach to the triple clamp off. So that means the throttle cable, I don't think I need to take it off, but I do need to disconnect that. And then as far as the brake lines, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna disconnect the whole brake reservoir itself to come off with the brakes right here. As far as the left hand side, I'm gonna take off the horns, and I'm gonna disconnect this cable over here, which has to do with the instrument stuff as far as the horn, signal, lights, etc. So enough talking, let's get back to work. Alright, so now that everything is free, I'm going to start with the top, unscrew the top, so we can loosen up the other bolts that's holding this bottom together.
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
It'd be good just to hold them down by your side. Yeah, great.
Well, we're real happy with what was going on.
Slow. Boom. As you can see, this one right here is bent. Look at that. Compare it to this one. Both of these, I mean, the camera doesn't do it justice, but if you could feel it, you can see what I'm talking about. This, when you move forward, they're both even on both sides. This, when you move forward, I don't know if you can see from there, look. The left side is more forward than the right side, so that was our problem right there. That one was definitely bent and broken. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna loosen this top one. I'm gonna transfer the ignition, switch, and all that stuff, put it on this one. Alright guys, so epic fail on the drilling out the ignition switch, or the ignition barrel. Kit that I have, it's not working, but that's gonna have to wait till tomorrow. But for now, let's just finish off doing the front of the bike. Let's put the bottom triple clamp on and put the forks and the brakes and all that stuff back on. Guys, I'm super, I don't even want to curse right now. I'm just super pissed. My camera all of a sudden just tilted, boom, and just dropped. So my lens got a little bit messed up. Like I said, always something new when you're recording. When you're vlogging, there's always something that's gonna pop up. So thank God the camera's still working. I have a case around the body. So I don't think, from what I see right now, I don't think the camera's messed up, but I'm gonna place the camera again at a better spot, and hopefully it doesn't fall this time. So let's try one more time. Alright guys, that's all the time I have today. As you can see, we put the new fork on, new triple clamp. Tomorrow we'll continue where we left off, putting the brakes on and tightening everything else up, getting the suspension ready to go. Alright, so stay tuned for the next one. What's up guys? I'm really feeling under the weather right now. I know I was supposed to come out with a part 2, but I'm feeling sick. So instead of recording, I just decided just to button the little things up and just take the bike out for a test drive. I did take it out for a test drive. The video is going to be coming out next week. And on next week's video, I'm going to be changing the gas tank bracket on the bike. Hopefully, the handlebars will be in. So we're going to be installing the handlebars. It's going to be real small, so I'm going to include that with the test drive. That's pretty much it. I'm sorry I had to cut it short. Well, actually, this video is actually longer because I've noticed on my last 2 videos, I'm not very descriptive on things, on what's going on. So I decided in this video to show you guys a little bit more what I'm doing and what goes where. You know, if you guys are digging that and you guys want me to be more, you know, instructive on what I'm doing and stuff, then let me know. Please put it in the comment. And if you made it this far in the video that you're watching the end and you're not bored, yo, put on the comment, #sketchybuilt. Show me you got some love for me, man. And you know that I really appreciate that. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna go drink some tea, go lay down. I'm feeling real sick. Don't forget to click the bell and subscribe, man. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.